E-learning is now bigger than ever. Having a reliable hosting provider for your WordPress LMS site is crucial. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? This video will help you with that. It's your ultimate guide to choosing the best hosting for WordPress LMS sites. Let's start. Understanding your specific needs is the key. Here are some factors to consider while choosing an LMS hosting for WordPress. Scalability. How many students do you expect to enroll? Look for hosting that can handle growth. Performance. Ensure the hosting provider offers fast loading times and minimal downtime. Security. Protecting your students' data is a top priority. Opt for hosting with robust security features. Support. Reliable customer support can save you a lot of headaches. Check for 24/7 support availability. Next, let's explore the different types of hosting available. Shared hosting. Affordable, but resources are shared with multiple other websites. VPS hosting. Offers more control and better performance suitable for growing LMS platforms. Dedicated hosting. Provides maximum resources and customization, perfect for large-scale LMS. Managed WordPress hosting, specifically optimized for WordPress with features tailored for LMS. When choosing a hosting provider, keep an eye out for these features. One-click LMS installation. Simplifies the setup process. Backup and restore options. Ensure your data is safe and recoverable. SSL certificate. Protects your site and builds trust with your users. Uptime guarantee. Look for providers offering at least 99.9% uptime. Finally, make the decision based on your priorities and budget. We recommend trying out a few providers with trial periods or money-back guarantees to see which one fits your needs the best. RapidCloud is a familiar managed WordPress LMS hosting provider that you can check out. To help you with your decision, let's explore RapidCloud services at a glance. RapidCloud provides you high-performance, fully managed LMS hosting services. It gives you instant performance boost, a 14-day money-back guarantee, and free migration services. It also has a good Trustpilot ratings. Now with RapidCloud, you will have 24/7 live chat support. It promises 10 times better performance. Now it has a 97% satisfaction rate and the response time of the support team is really quick. Now if we want to get RapidCloud, we can see there are 3 plans: the Lite, Startup, and Performance. You can start with the Lite plan, which is $26 a month. And with it, you get 200,000 estimated visits, 30GB SSD storage, 99.99% uptime, unlimited free CDN, and 30GB offsite backup storage. And this is only available for one website. This includes other features such as multi-layer proactive defense, easy one-click staging and automated backups, free migration, and free malware insurance. You can tweak it to the developer mode. Here you will get extra features such as 50GB SSD storage and 100GB offsite backup storage. You also get the Redis caching and ultimate vulnerability protection with Patch Stack. Of course, if you move it up to developer plan, it goes up to $44 a month. You can also get the startup plan. It's available for $89 a month. It gives you more features such as 500,000 estimated visits, 36 auto-scaling supercharged PHP workers, 100GB SSD storage, and 200GB offsite backup storage. And it also includes other features. Now, if you want, you can also move it up to Startup 2. It's available for $125 a month, and it gives you more features. So you can choose the plan which is best for you. And for the performance, you can see it's available for $269 a month. It's the highest tier plan from RapidCloud, and it gives you a lot more features. And if you want, you can also slide it up to get even more visits, storage space, and more features. Now, if you have specific requirements, you can also click on this arrow. This is the enterprise plan. You can get in touch with RapidCloud and discuss with RapidCloud what features you need. That's it for today's guide on choosing the best hosting for your WordPress LMS website. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.